Next, let's demonstrate another fundamental form of learning, classical or Pavlovian conditioning. Here, an originally meaningless stimulus or event comes to elicit a particular behavior. The classical example of this is Pavlov's dogs. Let's teach Robbie to do a cha-cha to the bump sensor. Classical conditioning occurs when an animal has some pre-existing reflex in which some stimulus causes the behavior, and there's a neutral stimulus that originally has no effect on that behavior. In this case, Robbie has this reflex. When I push that, he does a little cha-cha. Now again, that's not through a programming, although that would be easy to do. It goes through, when I push that, it causes a stimulus neuron to fire, which then causes the cha-cha to occur. Now let's see it again. Now this is our neutral stimulus, this bump sensor. And as you'll see, this bump sensor has no effect on his behavior. But now I'm going to pair the bump sensor with the reflex. And I do that by pushing the bump sensor and then the reflex, just like Pavlov's dogs, give them the bell and then the meat powder. So here we go. Now, how quickly he learns depends on how reliable I am, the interval between the two stimuli, and how many trials I do. I think he's got it. Let's see. And there you can see it. Now, when I press this, this has the power to elicit that behavior. And of course, once again, the idea is any stimulus in the world could be used to elicit this behavior or any reflexive behavior, any built-in behavior that organisms have. It's important to understand that you and I and all animals come with a lot of built-in behavior.